How do I update the maps on my Honda Ridgeline? To update the maps on your Honda Ridgeline, follow these steps. 1. To update the maps on your Honda Ridgeline, you will need to first obtain the necessary map update files. 2. These files can typically be purchased directly from Honda either through their website or through a dealership. 3. Once you have obtained the update files, you will need to transfer them to a compatible USB drive. 4. Honda provides detailed instructions on their website for formatting the USB drive and transferring the files. 5. After transferring the update files to the USB drive, insert the USB drive into the USB port in your Ridgeline. 6. Turn on your Ridgeline's ignition and navigate to the Navigation System Settings menu. 7. From there, select a map update and follow the on-screen prompts to begin the update process. 8. The update process may take some time to complete, depending on the size of the update and the speed of your Ridgeline's navigation system. 9. Be sure to keep your Ridgeline's engine running throughout the update process to prevent the battery from draining. 10. Once the update is complete, you may need to restart your Ridgeline to ensure that the updated maps are fully loaded. 11. It's a good idea to check the new maps and ensure that everything is up to date and accurate before relying on them for navigation. 12. With the updated maps, you can enjoy improved accuracy and more reliable navigation on your Honda Ridgeline. If you encounter any issues during the update process, contact support for assistance. Link in description box.